So sponsored products, that's the one that we're going to do. Now, Amazon has just moved around the campaign setup. So you used to start with campaign name, bidding strategy. That's actually been moved lower down. So this might look slightly different depending on if your interface has been updated. So it's just jumping to the ad group, which normally what you want to do, and sorry, I didn't even mention, we're demoing with Maddie Burke's product tonight in the US. And so it's this product here, the bird feeder. So we're just going to use for the ad group. So in terms of the structure of a PPC campaign, you've got campaign, ad group, and then the products that you want to advertise. And then depending on the type of campaign, you may have, if it's a manual campaign, then you'll be able to select keywords or ASINs. For ease of use for people starting out, you can have multiple ad groups if you like, say if you have different variations, but for ease of setup, when you're starting out, I just recommend keep it really simple, one campaign, one ad group. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. So I'm just going to name the ad group with the ASIN that I'm advertising against, and I've selected the product here. So now the targeting options. So with sponsored products, these are the two types of targeting options that you get. Automatic campaign. This is essentially, it's a really quick campaign to set up, and Amazon decides what keywords to show your ads for, and also it will test ASINs or competitors related products. So this one I'm going to do a manual targeting campaign. And so as I was saying before, you can do keyword targeting. So targeting people when they're searching for particular keywords. For example, might be pet hair remover. Or product targeting, if there's particular competitors that you want your ads to show on, then you would select that. And you can do that by category, so you can target whole categories or individual products. Just depends how detailed you want to go.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are over 2,500 of us now. We're actually the largest professional community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do, and of course how we can help you either get started or indeed build your own e-commerce business, grow and build your own business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath this video in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.